Hey everybody, I'm back. Okay, so... Oh shit. Okay, so basically, I was in a huge puzzle in the security to where I had to travel to the bad guy's lair. And now I'm back again as Clank. So you didn't really miss anything much. All I did was enter a room as Clank. Don't worry, you did not miss anything much.
That looks dangerous.
Oh, fuck, I forgot to start the timer again. Crap.
Sister boy, do not fail me now.
Okay. I think I know what I have to do.
Everything going okay, pal?
I am almost there, but I have run into an obstacle. Drex's
Oh, no, I know how to do this. I know how to do this.
from reaching the security terminal.
Shut up, Clank. I know how to do this.
Ilaris, carpet bomb the factory with pyrocytic blast mines.
I wouldn't do that. I'm still here.
Probably safer if we let Clank handle things.
Yeah, exactly.
I would prefer that as well.
Now, I just need a power bot. Oh, wait, let me make sure the volume's up. Okay, the volume is fine. Okay. Oh, I know exactly what I have to do. Run like hell, run like hell. I am a pro. Look at this shit. You don't see this every day.
Okay, that's far enough.
Oh, crap.
How did you best my brilliance?
Because I was not standing under that? Okay. Okay, so far so good.
All warbots. Chairman Drek would like to thank you for your hard work. Ice cream sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon from 1:10 to 1:15 p.m. Also, a friendly reminder.
Oh, that sounds
there is a
tasty.
Mandatory meeting for all
Too bad I have to kill these guys, though.
to 1:30 on deck B. Any warbots not attending will be destroyed.
Okay, that's not the best one. Okay, how about I just leave that guy there? Oh, no. Sorry, Gadget Bot. Oh, I see what I have to do now. A lot of puzzles I'm hanging through. Now... Oh, no, I want you to power that up.
Good work, Gadgetbot.
Yeah, good work, Clank.
How are you so smart?
Because I am so smart.
Full soldiers. Who upgraded you?
Ratchet? Probably. I don't know. Probably the defect made me smarter than all the other warbots. I don't know.
Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot?
Ah, shit. Shit. Crap.
You're not so smart now, tough guy.
Oh, wow. Your warbot is weak as fuck.
Captured you. Then I'll be top henchman. Maybe he can spend all day stacking crates.
Fuck you. Wait, how did these warbots come in here? Were they just like teleported? It's gonna drop on me, isn't it? Oh god. Shit. I need a grenade right now.
I can't compete with this.
Not bad for a defect.
Nope, not bad at all. Well, hey! Alright.
There's certainly nothing you can do about this crate blocking your way into the
Whoa.
room. Yep, I just give
Oh, I think I know it's... Wait.
Perhaps that magnet can be of assistance.
Wait, which magnet? Wait, this one?
Sorry, Gadgetbot.
coming out of my paycheck.
Ooh, 2 crystals, nice. Oh wait, what did Clank say? Oh, this magnet, okay. So we just gotta power that up.
I must have so many unread emails right now.
Oh, I think I kinda need a spring bot. Okay, I see what I have to do. So I have to, like, make it over here. I didn't make it this far, alright? So, I'm just telling you now. Oh, crap. No, no, no. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Wait, there was another one right there and I didn't even notice that?
I'm gonna lose my job for this mess.
Wow, I cannot believe I didn't notice that one bot right there. Okay. You know, it kind of would have made more sense if this one started powering all 3.
Everything in here is the property of Drek Industries. What you're doing is, well, rude.
Well, I don't give a shit. I'm stopping your plans.
Taking over your magnets.
I don't have a lair. Shut up.
You're getting too close. Computer, dial Chairman Drek.
Oh, wait. I think we need another one to... I love how it's just another phone.
Greetings. You've reached the voicemail box of Chairman Alonzo Drake. I'm away from my phone right now, probably in a meeting or something. Perhaps. Anywho, leave a message at the beep. Unless it's bad news.
Yes, it is bad news.
Me bad news. Go straight into the lava pit.
Well, what are you gonna do now?
Hey, Mr. I mean, Chairman Drek. It said, calling for, no reason. Everything's fine. I'm totally not cowering inside.
Wait a minute.
or anything. In fact,
Oh, I know what I have to do.
there is nothing to worry about. Security is, you know, good.
Here we go.
Hey, let me down.
No.
Heed my warning, Warbot. You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries.
I don't give a shit.
Dare execute that command.
I don't give a shit. Fuck the haters.
Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems.
Why would you tell him that?
I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Great.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac. Nice work, little buddy.
You did well.
Nice one.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
Wait, I'm back. So I was Ratchet and I was using this turret on a few robots. But now we have to go over in here and find Drek, I think. Ooh, cutscene. I think I saw something. I don't like this. Whoa. Oh my god, no. Oh, Zircon bots? Oh my... What? Wow. Nice music. Too bad I gotta end, you guys. Ah, shit. Fuck. I can't believe you use these guys. Well, that wasn't a problem at all.
Good doctors
what do you know? That wasn't even a problem at all.
Toasted.
Oh. Well, that wasn't much of a problem at all, was it?
It looks like the main office is up there.
Wow. Nice lair. I'll give you credit for that. Okay, I'm gonna use the combustor.
Assembly line is the place of my creation. I am experiencing many conflicting feelings.
Why? All these guys ever done for you is abuse you.
Looks like your plasma striker could use an upgrade.
What is this one?
Oh, I'll give you a good deal on that one. Isn't Raritanium awesome?
There we go. Oh, I guess that's all we need to upgrade for now.
Oh, have I got something for you?
Okay, ooh, more ammo, nice. Yes, I don't. That, you know, let's actually cover how they use Mr. Zircon against us.
You go for the station. I'll cover you.
Okay. Ow. Hey, how about this? How about you dance?
Think you can flank that turret?
How about you burn in hell? Everybody burns. Any more? Oh, this guy. Okay.
Nice work. Let's move.
Wait,
Put
what?
yourself over here.
Oh, okay. Well, I fucked myself on that one. Sorry. I need nanotech right now. Well, okay, that was my fault. I'll admit that.
Watch yourself over here.
Oh my god. I just said I messed myself up. And what did I just do? Okay, or I could do that. I could do that.
Got zircons.
Like, seriously, I like how they use this. Good dance and burn.
Not bad, Ratchet.
Did you enjoy my zircons? Don't worry, there are plenty more surprises ahead.
Yeah, I don't care.
Here we go.
You gotta be careful with this. Wow, I can't believe I'm doing so much damage with this. Okay. Oh, I didn't even know Clank was back. Sorry.
Enemy down.
Oh, it's more Zircons. Crap. Oh, great. Oh, I forgot. Okay.
Cover.
What are you shooting at? He's already dead. Wait, what? Okay,
You made it. Now use the trespasser to access the refueling station.
yes, but I'm gonna do this in the next episode, okay? Bye.